Glide is such an epic tool. It's so good. I remember like having one in the salon before it launched, and the clients were like crazy. They were even asking me to borrow it because they loved it that much. They wanted to take it home and use it.
I just think for showing a client, consumer, how to do their hair very easily, it tends to be my top tool.
It's so easy to use. The heat is perfect to keep the integrity of the hair, so you can still have that natural texture without the hair looking too straight.
I believe it does so much more than just straighten the hair. I think by elevating it with a few different movements, you can get a really kind of desirable soft volume, and by beveling it at the end, so by turning it in at the ends, you can get a wonderful look as well.
It just gives you that finish. It has that amazing shine.
I recommend GHD Glide for many different clients, but I think the ones that really adore it are people that feel that they're time poor, people that want a transformation look within 5 minutes, people that may have blow dried their hair one day and want to freshen it up the second.
If you have thick hair, if you have curly hair, if you have coarse hair, GHD Glide gets through the hair in half the time.